Amazon links with the best price in the description. The MSI Crosshair Gaming Laptop is a powerhouse machine built for gamers, creators, and professionals who need uncompromising performance. Featuring the latest Intel Core i7-14650HX 14th Gen processor, this laptop packs 16 cores and turbo boost up to 5.2 GHz, making it an absolute multitasking monster. Whether you're gaming at high settings, rendering videos, or juggling demanding software, the MSI Crosshair handles it all without breaking a sweat. But it doesn't stop there. The dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU brings your games to life with ray tracing support, stunning realism, and consistently high frame rates. Pair that with the 16-inch Full HD Plus, 1920 by 1200 IPS display running at 144 Hz, and you get a fluid, immersive gaming experience that's incredibly responsive and easy on the eyes. The backlit keyboard not only looks sleek in Cosmo Gray but also adds functionality during late-night sessions. One of the biggest standouts is the 64GB of blazing fast DDR5 RAM and a jaw-dropping 4TB SSD. That's more than enough memory and storage for AAA titles, massive creative projects, and running multiple apps simultaneously without any slowdown. Everything loads quickly, from system boot-ups to large file transfers, and multitasking feels effortless. You'll rarely, if ever, run into bottlenecks. Productivity is also baked right in. With Windows 11 Pro and a lifetime Office suite pre-installed, this isn't just a gaming beast, it's also a professional-grade laptop ready for remote work, content creation, and business use. Throw in Wi-Fi 6, a variety of ports, and included accessories, and you're looking at a full-featured setup that's future-ready and performance-packed. In short, the MSI Crosshair Gaming Laptop is an absolute beast. It combines raw power, premium graphics, immense storage, and versatile functionality into one sleek and capable machine. Whether you're dominating in games, creating content, or managing intensive workloads, this laptop is built to deliver at every level. It's easily one of the best high-performance laptops you can buy in 2025. Amazon links with the best price in the description.